Hello everyone. Today we are starting with the lecture of binomial theorem, lecture number 4. In this particular lecture, what we are going to study is middle term of binomial expansion. Okay, middle term of the binomial expansion. We are going to study this particular topic in this particular lecture. See, the middle term or terms in the expansion of x plus a to the power n. It is x plus a to the power n whole to the power n. We are going to study the middle term in the expansion. The number of terms in the expansion x plus a to the power n is the number of the term in the expansion x plus a to the power n is n plus 1. n plus 1. If n is even, then the number of term is odd. If then number of term is odd, so the middle term in the expansion seems to be n upon 2 plus 1th term. n upon 2 plus 1th term. Okay. And if n is odd, the number of term in the expansion is even. Obviously, because the number of terms in x plus a to the power n is n plus 1. So, in case of odd, it is even. The number of terms, middle terms basically, is n plus 1 upon 2th and n plus 3 upon 2th term. These two are the middle terms for n equal to odd. Okay, the largest binomial coefficients occur in the middle term only. Okay, the largest binomial expansion occur only the middle term only. N is a even, then nc n upon 2 is the largest binomial coefficients. Remember this thing, nc2 is the largest binomial coefficient. If n is odd, then we are having two greatest coefficients, that is nc n plus 1 upon 2 and nc n minus 1 upon 2. Okay, observe one thing, that is this thing equal to this thing. Okay, why this is happening? Because we know the simple formula of the binomial expansion, that is ncr is equals to nc n minus r. Okay, next, find the middle term in the expansion 3x upon 7 minus 2y to the power 10. See, the number of terms in this particular expansion, n is 10. n is 10, the number of terms are 11. Okay, the expansion is this, the number of terms in the expansion n equal to 10 even, so the number of terms is obviously odd. I already told you the number of terms is odd. The middle term is n by 2 plus 1th term upon n upon 2 plus 1th term. It seems to be sixth term. We can easily calculate t6. T6 seems to be t6 is equal to t5 plus 1, tr plus 1 equal to ncr x to the power n minus r a to the power r. Just put the value, n equal to 10, r equal to 5. Put the value, you'll get the answer. That's it. This is the required answer. Next question. Find the largest binomial coefficients in the expansion 1 plus x to the power 19. How will calculate it? Largest binomial expansion for odd, we know the largest binomial expansion for odd is nc n plus 1 by 2th term or nc n minus 1 upon 2th term. You can easily calculate these two. It's simple formula of ncr. ncr is equals to n factorial upon r factorial n minus r factorial. It's so easy. Okay, we can easily calculate the value of 19c10. The value of 19c10 is obviously 19 factorial upon 10 factorial into 19 factorial. I am just giving you this thing. Okay, the solution of this thing. Moving to next question. What next question says? Find the middle term of the expansion 4a plus 3 by 2b whole to the power 11. How will calculate it? See, it's easy. The n equal to 11, so the middle term of n is odd. Middle term is obviously what? You can recap the lecture. If n is odd, can you tell me the number of terms which is the middle term? It's obviously n plus 1 upon 2th and n plus 3 upon 2th term. So the terms are 6th and 7th. t6 equal to t5 plus 1. Obvious, tr plus 1 formula. Easily calculate by using simple formula. Okay, and t7 is equals to t6 plus 1, t6 plus 1, tr plus 1 is equals to ncr x to the power n minus r a to the power r. You can easily calculate by using simple fundamental formula. That's it. Moving to next particular question. If kth term of the middle term in the expansion x square minus 1 upon 2x whole to the power 20. Find tk and tk plus 1. K is the middle term. N equal to 20. The middle term for even is what? The middle term for even is n upon 2 plus 1th term. 11th is the kth term. So k equal to 11. We have to calculate T11 as well as T14. T11 as well as T14. T11 seems to be T10 plus 1. T10 plus 1. R is 10. The value of n we are already provided n equal to 20. Just calculate it by simple calculation. One more question, we have to calculate one more thing, that is tk plus 3, that is T14. We can write T14 as T13 plus 1. Put the formula NCR x to the power n minus r e to the power r, where x is equal to x square, a is equal to minus 1 upon 2x. Easily calculated by using simple fundamental formula of binomial expansion. Two more MCQs question and that's it for today's class. One is the middle term of the expansion. We have to calculate the middle term of the expansion. Option A is 6nc3 minus x to the power 3n, 6nc2n minus x to the power 2n plus 1, 4nc3 minus x to the power 3n, or 6nc3n minus x to the power 3n. You can pause the video, solve the question and do it by yourself, or I am doing it for you right now. It's the formula, basic formula of a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, it's 1 minus 6n. 6n is obviously even, and the number of middle term for the even is n by 2 plus 1th term is the middle term. Simply we can say 6n seems to be 3n plus 1th term. So it's the answer number 1 is correct option. This is the correct option. Hope so you got it. Okay, moving to next further question. What it says, this is the last question that I'm doing for you today. The middle term of the expansion, this thing in the power of x is what? Option A is 2ncn, option B is minus 2ncn, option C minus 2ncn plus 1, option D 2ncn minus 1. See how we'll calculate it. It seems to be like this. I am just taking the LCM over here. It's upon 1. So x minus 1 whole power n, 1 minus x to the power whole n, minus 1 to the power n can be taken out common from here. We'll get the 1, same thing. Here 2n is the even number. 2n is the even number. So the number of middle term is 2n upon 2th term, that is n upon 1th term is the middle term. Middle term is this. Okay, and this is the answer. Option A is correct option. Hope so you got it. Make notes, solve all the question by yourself. Okay, I think this is more than enough today. We'll discuss the next lecture in next video. Okay, bye bye everyone.